So this is Lisa, who's just come and done the first day on the permanent makeup startup course with Katy at the Training Academy. So Lisa, you've got a little bit of a different background. What do you do at the moment?
I'm a quality auditor leader, so I'm a team leader in a factory.
Okay, wow.
Yes.
You have a bit of an artistic flair, so you also do a bit of nails as well, don't you?
I do, yeah, just for like my close friends and family. Okay,
wow. And how long have you actually been in this job for so far?
In the industry that I'm currently in?
Yeah.
10 years.
10 years, right, okay, wow. And what was the main reason to decide to go into permanent makeup sort of now, 10 years down the line?
Well, I've wanted to do it for about 5 years, if not longer.
Okay.
So the push came when I was told the announcement came and being made redundant.
Right, yeah.
So that's what gave me the final push to think, right, okay, this is your opportunity, give it a chance.
Okay, so obviously, I suppose with working in any job nowadays, you see high streets, lots of chains collapsing and without any notice, and I suppose that's the only issue with people with jobs. There's no more sort of jobs for life anymore, is there?
Absolutely.
And you said you looked at it 5 years ago, and you just told Katy a funny story. You'd actually done a lot of research 5 years ago, didn't you?
At least 5 years ago, yes.
And what was your result back then?
Well, I was looking, at that time I was sort of helping to care for my father, and I wanted to continue with my current job because I could look after my father in my spare time as well. Also finances had something to do with it.
Yeah.
I'd narrowed it down to 3 trainers.
Yeah.
When I did the sort of research again, I kept Katy's name in a file.
Right, okay.
I popped it into my email sort of search list, and yeah, it brought Katy up again.
So you sort of narrowed it down twice.
Yeah, so she was, she was the winner.
Okay, excellent. Was there any sort of main reason why you decided to train with Katy as opposed to the other ones?
There were many reasons. The main reason being one-to-one tuition.
Yeah.
I'd also seen a lot of awards that Katy had won. I'd seen a lot of online tutorials and like this kind of interview actually, which made me think, yay, after day one, look what you're achieving. And the fact that you're not restricted to one purchaser to purchase your needs.
Yeah, like suppliers and things.
The supplier, So that had a big factor in it too.
Okay, excellent. And obviously you've just come in, I'm guessing you probably had a few nerves before you started, a few hesitations about what you thought you probably would have. Any things you felt you might struggle with before you actually came here?
I was nervous, just for meeting everyone, really.
Oh, right, okay.
Because I'm a long way from home, so
it's not everyone, is it? Just Katy? Well, myself, obviously.
No, it's like I'm 3 hours from home, and everything was like, oh crikey, I've got the long travel, and I've got to meet people I've never met. But Katy's lovely. She just completely relaxes you, and all your inhibitions go.
Excellent. And actually, let's have a quick look at your work today, because you've just literally started, and a lot of people worry about when they're not in the industry necessarily getting on with the machine and things, but you can see you've actually done loads of work today, and I mean that's just sort of your first day's attempts at doing sort of the hair stroke brows and what have you. So did you think that you'd sort of pick it up that quickly?
No, it's combination brows, so it's a combination of the blading and the shading.
Right, okay.
I thought that would probably be on the last day.
Oh really?
Yeah, so I'm days ahead of where I thought I would be.
Excellent. So a good first day.
Yeah, super.
Very tiring, I'm sure, as well.
A little, but I can't wait to come back tomorrow now.
Excellent. And then we'll be doing brows on real people.
Yes, real people tomorrow.
Excellent. Brilliant. Well, nice to see you, Lisa, and we'll look forward to catching up with you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Cheers. Bye-bye.